here?
I'm just prepping this bumper to see how well a $20 paint job's gonna do.
Only 20 bucks.
Yeah, I mean, 2 cans of primer, 2 cans of black, and 2 cans of clear coat.
I don't think that was in the last video.
I don't think it was.
This is a reunion and a half. How you doing, bro?
Good, man. How are you? I don't really care about this shirt.
What's this going on, Michael?
That.
Your M3?
Yeah, dude. I've been waiting to put on my Aerowolf Canards until I got that on. I was like, I saw Haggard Garage's video and I was like, I can do it. I got this. Cause like it didn't look half bad. I have faith, you know.
Faith.
This bumper I know is not gonna look the greatest. I think I paid like 80 bucks for it.
I don't think it was that much.
I don't remember really. I remember it was really cheap.
It was like $80 because you got everything included, didn't you?
Oh, like all the M3 like door jam. Yeah, I remember that. I mean, I have faith. I think it'll be fine. I just realized that like if I go to take this lip off, it's gonna be a strip of red. I mean, I don't ever plan on taking it off, so you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Is this?
Yeah, I would actually get the heat gun for that.
And just kind of like
yeah,
lightly.
Yeah. Or set it in front of a heater vent. This is another video coming soon, probably.
Most likely. I got a Bride racing seat. It's the
Is it a red?
No, dude. Yeah.
From Bride?
Yeah, it's a VOS 3 Lomax.
Yeah.
And I'm just waiting on NRG to send me out that the seat brackets.
Stance boy, dude.
Yeah, dude.
I'm liking those a lot.
Right? Dude, I texted Jake, hey, like, I know you live in Portland. Instead of like shipping, can I just come to your house and pick him up? He's like, yeah, sure. And he showed me his garage and like his whole like process of doing it, and like
That's
it's
tight.
pretty legit, and like he has like a bunch of different colors. But I mean,
but he cuts it all out himself here in Portland.
yeah, and then he punches the holes in them and
Aerowolf.
yeah.
Aerowolf. Check them out.
Dude, they shouted me out.
Did they?
Yeah, on Instagram.
Really? That's
Like, yeah, but I mean, yeah, like I haven't thought about how far I want it to come out, you know.
yeah.
But yeah,
Something.
yeah, you know. But yeah, they gave me like a sticker, which is actually pretty cool. And then I saw these stupid ass stickers on the back.
Fucking moving. Can I put that into YouTube without being demonetized?
Anytime that we shoot a video at my house, I'm wearing this shirt. Like when we put my coilovers on, I was wearing this shirt. When we were, what was it? It was like wiring in my O2 sensors, like soldering them in, that sketchy.
Like forever ago?
Yeah, like wasn't that last year? Or the year before?
That was like last year, dude.
I was wearing this shirt, and I think like just like a.
I'm gonna cut all this footage I have of you. I have a video of you jumping over your car in this shirt.
Over my car?
Yeah. And that's when we did the coilovers.
Oh, like over. Yeah, I know what you're talking about. Any angle spray with comfort tip. Let me tell you, dude, these things are not comfortable.
Nervous?
Kinda, like, the last time I spray painted something was in like 8th grade. I painted my bike.
Do you mean a wall?
What?
You mean a wall? You're up tagging SMS. 8th grade. Like you said, cheap bumper, cheap paint, cheap video, cheap fun.
Yeah? It doesn't look horrible, honestly.
It's not the worst. I mean, for sure, the bumper is not in good condition.
Oh, yeah. I mean,
So that's not going to help the painting process at all.
I hope this turns out well. I mean, if it doesn't, drift bumper, I guess.
Exactly.
80 bucks, like, I mean, I kind of plan on smashing it anyways, like, it's not really in a... Half bad.
Dude, that's definitely covering those up. What the f are you talking about? You're getting triple coverage because the wind sprays it. And I think it'll just keep looking better and better.
Honestly. I mean, because, like, that
seriously,
does not look
that's
that
what I'm saying.
bad.
I don't know, I'd say that definitely looks better than the gray that I just had on camera.
Yeah.
Sorry.
You're good. I just don't want to get your camera.
Yeah. Fucking get the lens.
Yeah.
I would. I'd at least do 2.
Well, yeah, for sure, at least do 2. It's just, I don't know. I mean, I've also only ridden with this bumper on once, and that for sure fucking catches on everything.
Well, yeah, I'd probably redo their screw situation.
Eventually. Get a smaller washer.
Yeah. But for right now.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
11, 12. This is definitely a 12-foot paint job, but don't even say it.
20 bucks?
12 feet. 12 feet is where it looks good at. No, I'm just kidding.
I honestly wasn't expecting it to look the greatest though, you know?
Yeah, and it's seriously just those things that are bothering me. Like the paint actually looks pretty decent. I'm kind of impressed.
Me too, honestly.
Like if you take like a shot of just the paint, like right there,
Yeah, it doesn't look bad.
that looks pretty good, you know? I mean, that's not the paint's fault. Okay, so I'm helping Michael out with this paint right now. Looks good.
Looks good.
I did a lot of help. I'm not much of a painter on other people's cars because I don't want to break it, so I let Michael do the painting. I think it looks pretty good. I think he's happy with it.
For 20 bucks, it doesn't look half bad.
It looks way better than the red, for sure.
Red and blue.
Yeah, the red.
I mean, there definitely is. I don't know how to work camera.
Yep, I got it. I'll take it back from you. Paint
Yeah.
chipping right there.
Like, other than that shit, it doesn't look half bad. And,
Well, that's all around. That was from before too. We're good.
I mean,
Looks better than before.
Yeah. And now I just gotta wait for this to dry real quick and clear coat and whatnot. And I mean,
Clear coat and whatnot.
I'm just seeing if I missed anything. I don't think I did.
You miss 100% of the shots you don't take. Last step in that process, we're hitting it with that clear coat.
What? Yeah, that's what.
What's up?
Eli, he was like, yeah, he's trying to jump it. I was like,
I did jump it.
Step in the process, Michael has got the Rusto Clear dual coverage.
I mean,
Alright, well, let's start.
Can you really fuck up a clear coat that bad?
Yes, you can. Really bad. Don't go heavy.
Don't go heavy. It goes heavy.
I know. Not think that's who this was.
Oh,
How are you doing, Cody? What
you
the?
got a new car. Yeah. Why?
Whoa.
my truck's
Did it blow up?
Oh. It blew up? Officially? 22R?
well, I mean, it still runs, but
Not very well.
You suck, dude. Oops.
Oh, dude, fog lights will fit. At least I'm pretty sure. It looks like it, at least.
Looks like it. We'll figure it out later.
Yeah.
Dude, I don't know. I think that looks dope, and you haven't even bolted it on, even if it is in kind of shitty condition. Everything else in your car is really clean, like all the other body panels. So you could have a couple paint chips on the bumper.
Yeah.
I mean, you're low.
I'm gonna probably need to get a quick release bumper thing because that
what I got.
sags. Yeah. But yeah, like that actually not turned out bad.
It's not that bad of a color match either.
Yeah.
Like it matches pretty well.
Yeah, I mean,
Like from that to that.
yeah, that's not bad. I'm gonna go grab the trim.
Go. And then we're missing the tow hook.
Yeah, that's it.
Dude, this is a good $20 bumper, I think.
Yeah,
Like in total, $100 for an M3 bumper.
you know, and just to make it more drift worthy.
We're gonna get the tow hook out.
Yeah.
Oh,
Dude, at this rate, I might as well even just paint that back one too.
I know, seriously.